Hi guys, I am Kiza Baric for those of you who don't know me, and today we are going to talk about how to get Instagram followers for free. But before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So how do you get Instagram followers? Well, you will hear people saying you should do power likes, you should do shoutouts, you should do DMs and all these other techniques. But those techniques are less and less effective, because Instagram is fighting against those techniques, because Instagram considers that as cheating, that you are cheating Instagram algorithm to get leverage over other people. Instagram is even fighting against scheduling softwares, because they don't want anybody to have access to your profile except yourself. And there is a big chance that none of these techniques will work next year. So how do you get Instagram followers? Only way to get Instagram followers is to get them organically. And organic followers are always the best, no matter what social media we are talking. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, all social media likes organic followers, because those are the people who engaged with your content before they decide to follow you. So there is a technique that will never be against Instagram rules, and that is hashtags. And you're probably thinking, well, hashtags doesn't work anymore. Well, they do. They do. And this is actually, we are here on Social Blade, and this is one of my Instagram pages. And as you can see, I have almost 49,000 followers, and I am following only 73 people. I'm getting on average almost over 4,000 likes, and my engagement rate is over 8%. And all above 4% is good. Everything above 10% is great. Above 20% is amazing. So hashtags still work, but most of the people don't know how to use them. So if we go on Instagram and type, for example, workout. So you see top posts and most recent posts. So your goal is obviously to be in top posts. But how do you get there? Well, Instagram algorithm work like this. When you just publish your post, they show that post to your followers that are engaging with your content on regular basis. If you have good enough engagement, then they promote that post to your followers who are engaging with your content from time to time. And if you have good engagement with those people, then Instagram promote your post to your other followers. So you just need to have enough engagement to get in these top posts. This is how I do it. You are allowed to add up to 30 hashtags to your post. I usually add between 20 and 25 hashtags, and I divide them in 3 groups. First group is I choose 7 to 8 low competition hashtags. Then I choose 7 to 8 medium competition hashtags and 7 to 8 high competition hashtags, because it's much easier for me to rank in top posts for those low competition hashtags. And when I'm in top posts for those hashtags, they will push me, give me enough engagement to push me in top posts for some medium competition hashtags. And if I get enough engagement, I will be pushed in top posts for some of those high competition hashtags, and my posts will go viral, and I will get much more likes, much more exposure, and more followers. And as some of my posts actually got 15 to 20,000 likes and brought me about 1,000 to 1,200 new followers. So hashtags definitely work. So how do you know which hashtags are actually low competition, which hashtags are medium, which hashtags are high competition? Because for workout, for example, there is 146 million posts for this hashtag, and there is a huge competition. But when you actually hover over these images, you see that you only need 400, 500 likes and few comments to rank in top posts for this hashtag. So competition for this hashtag is huge, but it's not strong. This is actually medium competition hashtag. But how do you find those hashtags? Well, I use two tools to find those hashtags, and I will actually leave links in description for those two tools. First tool is Hashtastic. It is a great tool. It gives you lots of information, lots of data, so you can analyze hashtags and choose right hashtags for your post. They have free option, but it's not really useful. You only have access to light search, and even light search gives you results for top 20 hashtags, so it's not really useful. But premium version is actually very good. Second tool that I use, even more, and that is social info. Social info is beginner friendly. It doesn't give you that much information, but they do everything for you. This tactic that I'm using with 3 levels of hashtags, they actually do that for you. So you only need to copy and paste those hashtags. They do have 7-day free trial, and if you don't like it, you can cancel your subscription, and that's it. So in next video I will actually show you how to use social info to find right hashtags for your post. So that is how you get free and organic Instagram followers. That's it for now. I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.